New Triton production pairing Jamil with Ludi Singjay Shensia. Tell Me trending in, among other places, Costa Rica.
Yeah, today we're good, tomorrow she disappear.
Two of dancehall's freshest talents together on the Triton-produced single, Tell Me.
Jamil, you a liar. I can't take the stress, I'm tired. Happy say your boss.
It Girl Shensia, arguably the most visible female face around since emerging in 2016 and nailing a #1 with Vybz Kartel. Ludi later controversial, but Shensia riding out the storm, popularity intact. A few lessons learned.
One of them is to just stop reacting to negativity, responding to them, everything. You just have to block them out, because trust me, the moment you start focusing on negative people is the moment you start distracting your own self.
Do you think I'm quite fine?
This world, baby.
So I would say don't trust people and just be careful in what I do. Try to make my own links as well, not depending on others to do so, but try to find out and learn a lot of things that which I'm going to be involved in from an earlier stage before I do it.
Start toward the world.
Lots riding on Shensia, delivering on her early promise.
I always told myself that I wanted to go international, and there is where I'm actually trying to reach to, and I know I will get there someday.
So you're busy idea, so you're linked.
Shensia dropping a summer single, Wine, but that's not all.
I also have something major dropping soon. I'm not gonna say what, but trust me, when it drops, you're gonna come back to me for our next interview. So I will wait for that one and give you guys a surprise.
And that's likely to be somebody from abroad making contact with you.
Yes, of course. Major development, major move, major vocals. You can hear my versatility 100% in that song, so we shall see how it goes.
Can't find none of my kind.
The camera-friendly newcomer, the target of sniping about dodgy vocals. Have you tackled that sort of criticism?
Well, yes, I did in my song Chatterbaga Things, but really and truly, I do naturally have a squeak in my voice. I can do it if I want to, and I can leave it if I don't want to. So yeah, it's just really my trademark, but I really can sing. I don't really do a lot of vocal training because I've been singing all my life, so it just comes naturally now.
But you're working on it.
Of course, I have a lot of notes to hit. I have different things to learn, so I'm open for it all.
Tell me if it's a good work.
We weren't really looking at with Shensia being current or nothing like that. We were just looking for a different sound, you know, and she came to mind. I reached out to her and it happened.
And you got that sound?
Yeah, definitely. It's working. And the song goes like, tell me if it all go work. And when you look, the song really a work.
Tell me, tell me if it all go work.
A good year also for Jamil. Treated himself to a Porsche.
It songs always there, you know, but not everything hit at Jamaica. But I'm always flying every week. I'm going on tour and them something there, so I'm always finding it.
So I noticed the Porsche.
One off. Yeah, we like nice things, man. I remember we saw a friend for us, but we never saw we no one. I never saw no want a Benz or a Beamer. We just show the youth them say, watch out, you know, if you tread certain road to achieve certain things, and Jamil is a perfect example.
With your generation, these kind of status symbols are important. Why?
No, it's not important, but you don't know them things. When you see them, when you see nice things and you do certain things, you know, it influences them. You know, if you want to become, you know, a person like that and thing, become successful, and you know, it just goes to show that still.
You know the feeling when me have for you, me not feel that for nobody else.
Because at the end of the day, me sing from my heart and me sing about what I want to see, you know, which is mostly on the positive side.
A lot of the camps are throwing words these days. You're still doing that, or you're backing away from that sort of vibe right now?
We never back down, you know, but once something coming out of the way and we have to deal with it, we just deal with it and move on.
Can't stop loving you, no matter how much I stop myself.
Producer Triton encouraged by his new track Tell Me's reception in Costa Rica, among other regional markets, and fast-tracking a video to boost its prospects.
The beat. First and foremost, I think the beat and then the lyrical content between two young acts that doing very well. I looked out of Jamaica, never just only Jamaica. So I think in that essence, you know, it just went on that journey, and now it's doing great in Costa Rica, Dominica, Belize, and all those places. In the US as well. So we're here just doing the visual for that and to make it even a bigger track.
Jamil, you a liar. I can't take the stress, I'm tired. Happy say your boss.